This is the Iron Trader. Now, actually, the pits closed here about an hour and a half ago. I'm running a little late today. I've been busier than a one-legged man in an ass-kicking contest for some reason. But we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart, okay? Now, if you've been watching the videos, I've been pointing out this key 50 SMA here, okay? So you went up, couldn't get through, up, couldn't get through, up, couldn't get through, up, couldn't get through. Now today, you have a nice big green candle, okay? But what we always want to watch here is if you look at these run-ups here, see? Up and then down, up and then down, up, and then is it going to come right back down again? So on the downside, what you want to do is watch this key 50 SMA here, okay? This is sitting at 71.53. And then if that is lost, then we come down to this candle here. You're looking at 71.04. Then we look at our 21 sitting at 70.32. And then we look at the 8-day here sitting at 69.81. Okay, so those are going to be your key support levels. If that's lost, then we look to the bottom of this candle right here. You're looking at 68.93. Then we look here, looking at 68.71. Then we come all the way over here. You're looking at 68.14. Then we have 67.35. 67.05, and then your big retest here is 66.80. But that's just in case that is lost. But right now here, watch the 50-day, okay, your key 21-day, and your key 8 estimate. So now on the upside, you want to look at today's high. That's sitting at 72.17. Now, if it can get above that, then what we do is just look to these candles here, okay? So you got 72.38 here, and then we have 72.72 on your level. Now, if you can get above this candle here, then we look to our big target here is going to be this 100 SMA sitting at 73.94, and then above that, you have your price channel at 75.06. Now, on your weekly chart, nothing really has changed here. Let me just big that up a little bit, okay? But you are above this 8 SMA. That's always a good sign. So you want to watch for support levels is that 71.32, and then obviously this key level here, which is sitting at 67.60. Now on the upside here, you want to watch this 21. That's going to be very key resistant level, because when you look at this, see how everything went right into it, and just can't seem to get above a little bit there, but fell right on down. So you want to watch this key 21, and then if you can get above that, obviously your big target there is 79.49. But watch the daily here, and if it goes higher, then we know where the target is going to be. Now, I still just don't like these. See where it's just downtrending, downtrending. Now we're getting a little bit of juice here on the 21 and on the 8 SMA. Now remember, they had the big meeting there today with Saudi Arabia, and they are going to extend the cuts, okay? But, that doesn't mean that the price instantly, is going to go up and stay up, okay? We just have to see how this is all going to balance out. Always look at the other side of that is ask yourself, why are they cutting, okay? If everything's so great, wouldn't you be adding oil instead of cutting oil? Okay, so I think they were trying to control the price here. Let's see if they can do it, and just watch this key 50 SMA here. Now, the API report will be out here at 4:30, and then the EIA report will be out on Thursday at 11 a.m. All right, let's take a look here on the old natty gas. All right, natty gas on your hourly chart. I pointed it out this morning. See, we got a high, lower high, lower high, boom. Not good, okay? So now you're below all your key SMAs here, okay? So what you want to do is you want to watch this key level here at 2.61, okay? On the upside, you want to watch this 8 SMA here sitting at 2.67. Then we go 2.71. Then we have your 50 SMA here sitting there at 2.72. And then you have 2.73. Your 21-day, your big retest here is 2.79. Now, this chart here is still intact because you got a nice, good series of higher lows, and so far, this is not coming down here. So you want to watch the 263 area just to see if that's going to hold. If not, have good support underneath here. Okay, 2.62, and then you can come all the way down here to 2.47. Let's take a look here on the daily. Okay, here we have your daily chart and your weekly chart. Now, on your weekly chart here, this is the support level you want to watch here. That's going to be key level, okay? That's sitting at 2.529. Okay, now that is above the 21. That's always a bullish sign unless it rolls back over. So that is also going to be support, roughly 2.399, say 2.4. That's going to be good support. Now, resistance here, that's your big resistance at 3.02. But you want to watch this candle right here. Okay, you're sitting at 2.878. That is going to be the first. And then if we can get above, then we look at the 3.02. Now, here on your daily, well, your price channels here are still very much intact here. 2.878 on top, 2.17 on bottom. You can see how it's stepping up here now. So that's not really that bad here. We just have a sideways action here. So now, as I posted this morning here, you want to watch this key 8 SMA. Now you see where the price is below that, okay? So you're looking at now your resistance is going to be the 2.71, and then we go to today's high at 2.79, and then we looked at the price at the top of that price channel at 2.87. Since you lost that 8-day, now we got to come back down to the 21 SMA here, okay? So now you're looking at 2.52, and then we have your 50 SMA here. Okay, you're looking at, let me small this up so I can get some. Okay, so your 50 SMA there, you're looking at 2.39, and then we have your 100-day sitting at 2.37. Okay, so that is going to be your key support levels. But now I say always watch that 8 SMA because now that's support. Now that becomes resistance real quick. All right, I will have more for you on the crude oil and natty gas tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock. Thanks for watching.